Look, Michelle, your husband have my woman and pitney. The least I can do is help me get in here.
And what makes you think I care?
18 years ago, you did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Isn't that convenient?
Yes, Marcus.
Michelle, you know how long I've been trying to reach you?
Yes, you get me now. What? I'm not hearing you. Repeat that, please.
Listen, and listen to me. Cara just called me a while ago and said that Tiffany fell in the bathroom and hit her head and she's unconscious. Please go there now. And
What? Okay, alright.
Just do it and get back to me, quick.
Okay.
Michelle, may I come with you?
What happened?
She fell.
Hold on. The blood outside is from Tiffany?
Yes, it is.
Listen, call an ambulance. No, call an ambulance.
You're on the way. Please explain this to me. What happened? How she fell?
Oh, should I know? I was here. I was in the room and I just hear her fell. Oh, am I going to know? I'm not the one taking the shower for her.
And after you find her, I see that she's losing so much blood. You just bandage her head and never call an ambulance or something?
She was still moving. I banged her head. The blood stopped. Isn't that something good?
Cara, she's unconscious. Why you never call the ambulance? Are you crazy?
You're acting like I didn't do something good. It was bleeding. I applied pressure. I bandaged it, and the bleeding stopped. What else am I supposed to do?
Hey, yo.
Michelle. Let me talk to you outside. Michelle, something about that story or not, I don't know. She said Tiffy fell in the bathroom. Why so much blood outside here? And next thing, if she fell in the bathroom, hit her head, or her face bruised up so. It's not Adam.
Carter. Wait in the car.
Michelle.
Wait in the car, please.
Alright.
Cara, a minute, please.
Let me call her back. What she want? Yes, Michelle.
Cara, what happened to Tiffany?
I told Marcus. Why am I being interrogated?
What you mean? She's unconscious.
She will be okay, Michelle. She will be okay. Stop worrying.
Why are you laughing? It's not funny.
Listen, Michelle. She drop, me pick her up, me fix her, and me put her in the bed. What more you want me to do? You gonna blame me for your child's clumsiness?
Clumsy.
Yes, Michelle.
You're so clumsy.